In this servicing tutorial, we will go over how to replace the ACB. ACB stands for Application Control Board. This is where VIDAR receives its signals for communication, whether that be from our keypad, your PLC, your relays, your DCS, or your transmitters. We offer the ACB as a spare part, and replacing it is quite simple. Before we can replace any low-voltage electronic components, we must remove the cover for our ACB shown here. You may use either a Phillips screwdriver or an 8mm socket to remove the 6 screws holding the cover in place. Now with the cover removed, you should see a plastic debris cover inside. Go ahead and pull that up and off of the LEDs. To replace the entire ACB, all you need is a Phillips screwdriver. If you have any transmitters connected to the I/O block or relay outputs, make sure to remove those with a tweaker screwdriver. Before unscrewing anything, remove the gray RJ485 connector and the larger shielded harness from the board. The larger shielded harness has a wider connector, or in other words, more pins. Now you can begin unscrewing the 6M4 screws. This picture points out where the 6 screws lie. Once all 6 screws have been removed and both connectors have been disengaged, you can now remove the entire board and replace it with a new one. Use the same 6 screws to fasten the new ACB down. Don't forget to plug the RJ485 and larger connector back into the new board. You can now put the debris cover back on by pulling it down over the LEDs using the holes in the cover. Finally, grab the ACB cover, which has a clear plastic sight glass, and use 6M5 screws with a Phillips or 8mm socket head to fasten it in place to the torque shown above. We hope this video proved how easy it is to replace low-voltage components. As always, visit or contact us at our website for help, manuals, specifications, and more. Thanks for watching and have a great day.